तो आइए इस कार्यक्रम का शुभारंभ करते हैं। इन द वर्ड्स ऑफ महामना पंडित मदन मोहन मालवीय जी, fearlessness is the only way to freedom. Be fearless and fight for justice. So may I now invite our first participant, Shadab Shakil, who is from Dadra and Nagar Haveli, and he'll be presenting his speech on Shri Madan Mohan Malviya ji in English language.
Today is 25th December. For many, it is a day of a worldwide celebration. But for India, this date holds a second vital importance day. It is a birth anniversary of a man who gifted us our national spirit, Pandit Madan Mohan Malviya ji. We stand here in this Parliament House, in this central hall of a parliament, where the history speaks. We are here to ask, why does the heartbeat of Malviya ji's philosophy still resonates with such a power in 21st century? Namaskar. I am Shadab Shakil Kasmani, representing Gujarat National Law University, Silvassa, and a beautiful place, Dadra and Nagar Haveli, Daman and Diu. Malviya ji was born on 25th December 1861 in Prayagraj district of Uttar Pradesh. His most visible legacy is the BHU, Banaras Hindu University. He did not just start a college, he envisioned and built a civilization's laboratory. He think of a great audacity in the age of a colonial poverty. He undertook nationwide fundraising missions. He persuaded and mobilized the people to build massive center of learning. He proved that India's greatest wealth was not in its treasury, but in its collective will. His BHU was the first great fusion reactor combining the India's culture and dharma with a practical application with technology and Western science. His vision was simple. We must be modern, but we should remember our cultural principles. This principle of cultural grounding, meeting technological advancements, is the original blueprint of our self-reliant mission, that is Atmanirbhar Bharat. Beyond education, he gave us our moral spine, a 4-time president of a Congress and a fearless lawyer who saved freedom fighters from the death penalty. He championed and popularized the ancient mantra that became our national watchword. Satyameva Jayate, the truth alone triumphs. This is not just simple saying. It is a direct, uncompromising challenge to every person in a public life. In a world saturated in a digital misinformation and a political rhetorics, his demand for truth as an ultimate governing principle is perhaps the most revolutionary idea that we can embrace today. And finally, his spirit of inclusion. He was a strong social reformer who fought aggressively against the practice of untouchability, advocating for temple entries for all communities. He understood that a nation cannot rise on a divided wings, that a true spirituality must translate into radical social justice. His nationalism was rooted in its comprehensive upliftment of every Indian. So let us honor this great soul, this Bharat Ratna, by pledging ourselves not to his history, but to his mandate, the mandate to support inclusive justice, to build a new Bharat, Viksit Bharat. Thank you. Jai Hind.